You are watching the commentary version of my first day in Japan. This video is more in line with giving you some guidance towards booking your trip, also getting around and potentially procedures you need to do before you actually go to Japan. So without further ado, let's go. Starting off with the flights, we went from London Gatwick to Pudong onto Narita Airport with Chinese Eastern Airlines. It was pretty good actually. As for food and things like that on the way, coming from the UK, the food was actually excellent for a plane. Probably the best I've ever had. Yeah, it was comfortable, there was enough leg room, so yeah, I might do a full review on them later on. At time of recording, you have to fill out these online forms to get into Chinese airspace and to be able to land in Pudong. So just be wary of that.
Ni hao from Shanghai. We arrived about, what, half an hour to an hour ago?
Yeah.
Done a whole walk of the terminal. It's a big one. Yeah, I'm going to go home to Tokyo now. And hopefully have a nice trip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
So here's the first recommendation while this montage is going on. Before you get to Japan, go on the Visit Japan website and go and sort all that out beforehand. It means you can get through customs extremely quickly. You still have to stop and get your sticker for your passport, but it does save a boatload of time, so I highly recommend you do that. So after you've landed, gone through customs, grabbed your bags, the next stop should always be grab a welcome Suica card if you don't already have a Suica card. This is your Swiss Army knife for Japan, just do it. The other IC cards currently, as of time of recording, aren't available.
Please take card now under process.
To find the machine, just head towards the train tracks and just look around a little bit, it will be signposted.
Thank you. Please leave everything with you.
Hopefully you've done your research, so once you've loaded up your card, go to your appropriate train track to get the train to your destination. If you're lost, just ask the member staff, they're very willing to help.
Hey, we have arrived at the Comfort Inn in Nihonbashi. Yep, we've literally just dropped our bags and yeah, just checking everything out. It's all lovely and clean, for sure. But yeah, that's the first hotel.
Just to clarify, the hotel has an automatic check-in system, so you put your name in, it goes and finds your reservation and then prints out 2 door keys for you. And there'll be more details on the breakfast service in the next video. So the thing I didn't mention in the non-commentary version is it was a 15-minute walk over to Akihabara, so we didn't need any trains at this point. You see the little device by here? That is an IC card reader. So that welcome Suica card you got at the airport earlier can be used for credits in games, also at Konbinis and various other stores. But don't be afraid, it does accept MasterCard and Visa as well as some other payment methods like PayPay. So we stumbled across this pub on the way back from Akihabara. All the eateries in Akihabara were very busy. It seemed a bit daunting with a full restaurant going in, possibly not finding a seat. So we found this pub and it was a bit quiet, so we just went in, and my god, they had the best garlic fries or garlic chips you'd ever have. Then we finished off with some quick bites from 7-Eleven. Caroline took some photos of dessert places in Akihabara, so if you're wondering what to expect when you go to one, this is it.